How to make white smoke machine to check air intake manifold leak. You can easily make a white smoke machine at home. Please watch the full video. Inshallah you can make it too. My best wishes and congratulations on behalf of this channel. Any kind of tin box can do. I took a biscuit box. Remember it has a lid. Look inside the lid. I have made 2 holes and attached 2 pipes with gum. You can also make it like this. Take 2 such plastic hose pipes to connect with the pipe that will be installed inside the lid. Take some pieces of cotton cloth to make white smoke. It can also be used to make white smoke like baby oil. I don't know if the name of this is correct, but this stuff is available everywhere in Malaysia, especially in Chinese shops. First, you fill the pieces of cloth inside the tin box. When the clothes are put inside, wet the top clothes with baby oil just like this. Use baby oil to create white smoke. Connect the 2 hose pipes, one pipe for air to enter the box and the other pipe for air to exit. Burn it and keep it inside a tin box so that it does not burn. Fill it with fire in such a way that it produces smoke. Put the lid of the box well inside the box. When the lid is fitted, blow air through one pipe and see if white smoke comes out through the other pipe. Blowing through one hose pipe with the lid closed, see white smoke coming out of the other pipe. To check your car's air intake manifold leak after producing white smoke, connect the intake manifold white smoke pipe to the intake manifold hose.